Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Docker installed, signed into Docker Hub, and a local image ready. First, run Docker version and Docker login to authenticate. Then build a local image with Docker build t your username/repo latest. Once done, tag correctly if needed. Docker tag imaged your username/repo tag. These steps set the foundation so you can push without permission or naming errors. Make sure your account name matches the image namespace to avoid push failures. You navigate Docker Hub and create the repository name matching your image namespace. Choose public or private visibility based on who should access the image: public for open source, private for restricted use. Configure description, tags, and optionally enable automated builds by connecting your Git provider. Once connected, set build rules so pushes trigger images. Make sure repository settings align with your CI/CD plan. This reduces manual pushes and avoids mismatched tags during deploys or collaborative work. You push the image with Docker push your username/repo, tag, and observe uploaded layers. Progress shows successful transfer. Once complete, verify the repo on Docker Hub. Confirm tag appears, inspect size, and pull command. Use Docker pull to test retrieval. If something goes wrong, check that you are logged in, the repository name matches exactly, your network permits large uploads, and the Docker daemon is running. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun Docker login to refresh credentials before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.